Welcome to Gibraltar and the Napier of Magdala battery. What we're going to see in this video is the 100-ton gun, which is still in situ. Installed in 1883, the 100-ton gun fired a massive 17.72 inch projectile, accurately a range of 5 miles, but it could fire out to 8 miles across into Spain. So a number of items are available in this museum. We've got the battery, but what's unique about these 100-ton guns really is the loading chambers. So this is the first room we're going to come up and visit. Now, this is the loading chamber. Below us, we have the magazine. And there were two of these chambers, one for the projectile and one for the powder. And if we look out to this hole here, we can see the 100-ton gun itself. So this was a muzzle loading gun, so all the projectiles and cartridges had to be loaded through the muzzle. With a 17.72 inch projectile, that's quite sizable. So this was all done mechanically. The gun would slew round, drop its barrel onto the rests outside. So the barrel would line up with this window here. The ammunition would be lifted up from the magazine below us, and this hydraulically powered ram would then ram the projectile or the cartridge from here off the trolley it was on and into the gun itself. Once the gun had loaded up with the cartridge, which would have been first, it would have slewed round to the magazine at the other side where the shell would have been loaded. So let's have a look beyond and we'll make our way up to the gun itself. So coming down into the magazine corridor. Yes, this would have been the access as well up into the to that loading chamber that we saw above us. To the right turret. And as we exit this door, we will see the gun itself. On either side, as I say, we have these loading windows. So in there was the loading turret where we've just come from. We have the barrel rest down here, as the gun would have slewed, rested its barrel, and then the ammunition rammed through these holes. Absolutely phenomenal piece of engineering for a muzzle loading gun. Here we have the loading chamber on the other side. Inside its armour turret, counterweight on this side to remove the cover, and same situation inside. Barrel rested here, ramrod to load the ammunition in. either side. I think it was around 4 minutes an efficient crew could load and fire one round, say up to 8 miles from this gun every 4 minutes. But the most efficient crews, 2.5. They could do it in 2.5 minutes to fire a projectile from this gun, the largest in the world at the time, right across. And if we look out, minding the gulls that are quite territorial, we've got the Straits of Gibraltar out in front of us. We have Morocco and essentially Africa across the water, and we have Spain just in front of us. So this gun could easily cover about 3 miles into Spain on the far side. So this is the Gibraltar 100-ton gun.